rage against the shoreline where the palm trees sway. Salt on my lashes, Hawaiian the day. Taro leaves whisper legends of old. Sunlight on lava, red skies turning gold. Lehua blossoms in a soft warm light. Hummingbirds dance through the trade winds bright. I hear the conch call, a rhythm in my chest. Two hearts in harmony, we rise with the crest. Aloha in the ocean breeze, carry me away to where the mountains meet the turquoise bay. We'll sing with the whales, we'll dance with the sun. Under aloha skies, our hearts beat as one. Old story time from the rafters of our ache. Ukulele strings lick legends wide awake. Poi and pineapple, sweetness in the air. Locals greet strangers with a smile to share. Firefly lanterns drift on a boat at night. Hawaiian guitars glow in the island lights. We toast to the island, to the tides of never end. With every heartbeat, time begins again. Aloha in the ocean breeze, carry me away to where the mountains meet the turquoise bay. We'll sing with the whales, we'll dance with the sun. Under aloha skies, our hearts beat as one. From dawn to dusk, we chase the rainbow's tail, surfing dreams on emerald trails. The spirit of Waikiki in every song. Together we'll wander, forever home. Break down. One breath, one wave, one island's embrace. We found our rhythm in the sacred place. Let the drums of the luau guide our fate, forever under Hawaii's golden gate. Aloha in the ocean breeze, carry me away to where the mountains meet the turquoise bay. We'll sing with the whales, we'll dance with the sun. Under aloha skies, our hearts beat as one. Aloha, a whisper in the trade wind's hymn. We sail toward tomorrow on a horizon dim, till night folds in and stars begin to gleam. We'll keep this island closer than a dream.